You ask Tiger to solve. This deals with linear equations with one unknown. The final result is x equals negative 8644/7. Let's solve it step by step. Simplify the expression. Group like terms. Simplify the arithmetic. Break up the fraction. Isolate the x. Multiply both sides by 1610 plus x. Expand the parentheses. Simplify the arithmetic. Expand the parentheses. Simplify the arithmetic. Group all x terms on the left side of the equation. Subtract 6x from both sides. Group like terms. Simplify the arithmetic. Group like terms. Simplify the arithmetic. Group all constants on the right side of the equation. Subtract 1016 from both sides. Simplify the arithmetic. Isolate the x. Divide both sides by -7. Cancel out the negatives. Simplify the fraction. Move the negative sign from the denominator to the numerator. And so the final result is x equals negative 8644/7.